How to buy Jingle token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to go and check their Telegram channel too. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. You can buy it on MEXC. So if you have an account on MEXC, go and open your MEXC account. And if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours. After that, what you need to do, just go in the search bar and click here and type Jingle like that. So after you type the token name, click on this pair that have USDT. So after you click on it, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see, this token, it will be live for today in about 14 hours from now. So until that date, now you can now set the amount here, how much you want to buy of this token. And here you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, and click here on buy jingle. In about a few seconds, you will be able to see your token added to your account. So this is how to buy a Jingle token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.